Flourless chia bread. Looking for a low carb, gluten free, and oil free bread perfect for sandwiches? This chia seed version is high in fiber, rich in omega 3, and keto friendly with a moist, hearty texture. To make this bread, you will need 2 cups of ground chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar or stevia, 1.5 cups of yogurt, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Preheat oven to 350 F. Mix all the ingredients to form a dough-like consistency. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes for chia gel formation. Place the dough in a loaf pan and bake for 45 to 55 minutes until firm and golden. Cool completely before slicing.